Hey guys, this is your flower girl Shelly. Just wanted to show you my harvesting room that I have set up so far, and it's just the beginning, so I expect to bring more of these greenhouses inside to use for shelving. But as you can see, been a busy girl, and I can't wait to show you how to harvest all of these. And we'll go one by one, and I'll go into great detail of how to go about it, and what tools to use to get them out in the best way to keep them all whole, unbroken. So anyway, so right here we have some Sweet Williams. Right here we have Globe Thistle, unmarked, only because it's the only one growing here and I know what it is, so I'll write the ones that I have I need a tag for. I'll do that. These are Amaranthus Green Thumb. As in the last video, I had talked briefly on the benefits, or we'll go over the benefits of paper versus plastic. I like to put a lot of my seed in these paper bowls. They're actually coated, so it's not actual paper on paper. Like this paper plate's like pure paper. So, and the reason why I like to use those is because the paper helps wick up any extra moisture that that may still be in there that you can't see or even know that it's there. But so it just depends on what items I have out there with me. Sometimes I'll bring these bowls out there to fill them. And sometimes I just, will put them in these little cups. It depends on what it is and how much I plan on getting as far as what I put them in to let the drying process continue. But, so just various different ones, and at different times too. So this is this whole year so far, and like I said, it's just beginning, so I'm super excited for that. And then over here is just another shelf of all my tools that I actually need to go out there and actually harvest. And I have various things. I have these plastic cups that I could just put a label on. These have lids if I wanted to. I don't cover anything yet though, because it's got to go through the entire drying process. So anyway, that's just all my collection items, if you will. And then my pens and vials and tags to mark everything as I go. And then just a pile of my plates and my plastic plates below. And yeah, so everything's at the ready. So if I see something outside and it's a breezy day like it is today so far, I may want to go out there early and collect what I can before the wind blows everything off too. So and you'll get these little tips or whatever on your own as you do it for any length of time, because if you're going to collect the seed, you want to get to them before anything else does, like wind, squirrels, birds, unless you plan on feeding them naturally. I do a little garden for that as well. But anyway, so this is like I said, just the beginning, and we'll go over all of these items more in depth later. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.